Cables. More cables. Oh yeah. Okay, there's a lot of goodies. Okay, let's see what is here. Okay, Type C charging cable. Let's see. Okay, another Type C. Okay, it's a lot. Okay, Type C to lighting is great. Okay, so you have one for to plug to your camera, I guess so, and another Type C, maybe for just Type C cable. Okay, maybe smartphone with Type C. And apart from that, that's all you get. And okay, so they include 1, 2, 3, 5. This is the depth cut wind protector. So okay, cool, nice. So here the receiver itself, and here the mic itself. So yeah, look cool. So you have a clip, magnet is here, so you can put. Okay, cool. So they include small magnet, which is great. Lovely. Cool. Okay, let's just open it and see. Microphone itself. So it look cool. It look like it's well built. Ain't gonna lie. Okay, it's good. Yeah. Let's see. Receiver. Let me plug one. The one they include for iPhone. So let's say I want to use this one for my iPhone. So let's say I have a rig. It's there. The receiver is here somewhere. Plug in. Okay, so you have touchscreen scale, power boost on. Let's boost the power on to see. Okay, power is on. Okay, so you can see all the level is all boot up. Anyway, so the iPhone already tell me. Yeah, we have some. So left and right, you can see. Okay. So yeah, okay, cool. So yeah, it seemed cool. I'll have to test it to be able to tell if it's working fine or not. But apart from that, that's it. That's the include. So whenever you get it, especially the Lark Max, so you have this box that you can put all the microphone in. So receiver, microphone, Type C, AA, Type C USB AA cable for your camera, cable for your, if you have iPhone or whatever you have, or smartphone, great. And this one is a lighting for old iPhones. So yeah, they include a lot of stuff in. So I think it's actually great. So I'll do the test later on to see what it's all about, and then take it from there. Yeah, I hope you enjoyed the video and see you in the next one. So